Hi friends, and welcome to Making All the Plans. Today we're diving into something I think a lot of us struggle with, the summer slump. You know the one. Long, sunny days, kids at home, a million things pulling your attention, and suddenly productivity? Yeah, not exactly top of mind. I've definitely had summers where my routines completely fell apart and it felt like I was barely keeping up. But over the years, I've figured out a few hacks that help me stay productive while still enjoying everything that makes summer special. Today, I'm sharing 5 productivity hacks to help you stay on track, avoid burnout, and still make room for summer fun. Let's get into it. Hack number 1 is to build a morning routine that sets the tone for your day. Summer might mean sleeping in later, but even a short, consistent routine can do wonders. Think a quick walk, stretching, journaling, or just 5 minutes of quiet before the chaos starts. For me, my daughter's soccer practice at 7 a.m. creates a natural start time. So I get up, do a light workout, shower, get dressed, make my coffee, and either head out the door to go to work or go straight to my in-home office. However, don't overload your mornings. Just focus on 2 or 3 key things to help you feel grounded and ready to go. This next hack is one of my favorites. Embrace the outdoors. Summer is the perfect time to switch up your environment. Try working outside if you can. Even just taking a call or reading on the porch can totally reset your energy. Natural light and fresh air do so much for your mood and focus. If you're doing creative work like brainstorming or planning, grab a notebook and head to the park. Inspiration loves a change of scenery. I personally love sitting on the front porch when the task allows for it. It's a refreshing shift, not only in location, but in mood and energy as well. Next up, prioritize and delegate. Not everything on your list needs to be done by you, or even done at all. I like to do a quick review and ask myself what's essential, what can wait, and what can I hand off. Maybe the dishwasher needs to be emptied, the floor swept, or library books returned. Those are great opportunities for my kids to help. I want us all to enjoy summer, and that means sharing the load as a family. Hack number 4 might be the most fun. Schedule those summer breaks. Whether it's a big family trip, a quick weekend getaway, a midweek movie night, or just a guilt-free pool day, put it on the calendar. By being intentional about rest, you can avoid burnout and actually return to your tasks with more focus and energy. Productivity isn't about working nonstop, it's about knowing when to pause as well. And finally, use technology to your advantage. I love a good productivity app, but I also know how easy it is to fall into a scroll hole. Set screen time limits for social media. Sometimes a timer or app is exactly what I need to break that doom scrolling cycle. Also, try planning your day the night before, even just a rough outline. That way you wake up with intention and clarity, and when you already know what needs your attention, maybe you won't feel the urge to grab your phone first thing in the morning. So those are my 5 favorite summer productivity hacks. The goal is not perfection, it's momentum. Keep it simple, stay flexible, and give yourself plenty of grace. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what's one way you're staying productive this summer. Don't forget to subscribe for more planning, productivity, and real life routines. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.